Okay, so this is the installation of Microsoft's brand new Office suite, Microsoft Office 2013 or Office 365. They're both the same product. For the purpose of this, I'm not going to go around downloading it. I have already got it on my server, so I will be deploying it from the server. But the file, when you install your product key, is pretty much the same kind of system. Now the system is the same as Office 2010. It does stream at first. That seems to be Microsoft's way of downloading Microsoft products now. So it uses your internet quite heavily. Obviously because there's no disk instead, you do get your POSA card. So it is all done via download. Now varying on your internet connection, it goes as fast as your internet. Mine's not too bad. This is just initially downloading the installation files. This is not installing Office. So, as you can see, welcome to your new Office. Now, this bit is where you log into your Microsoft account. If you haven't got one, this is required. It is mandatory, so a Hotmail account or a Live account. I'm logging into it now, but obviously I'm not going to show you my email address for privacy reasons. Once you press sign in, it will then ask you to put your password in. Again, I'll cover that up as well. Once you've logged in, the setup then can proceed to actually downloading and installing the Office suite on your desired machine. So as that cracks on, ask us, do you want to send any information regarding your Office to Microsoft? I press no. I want them clogging up my bandwidth. And then you do get a bit of a video. I didn't record the audio. It's just basically the new Office. This is Microsoft's way of trying to intrigue you into the new Office. It's basically elaborating on the new system, which obviously the mandatory is to log in with your Live account. The reason being so you can access all the features of Microsoft Office. One being now it incorporates SkyDrive straight within Microsoft Office itself. Instead of you having to manually upload it, it goes into SkyDrive as it is now demonstrating for me. So meet SkyDrive. So signing into Office means that you save your documents to the cloud, i.e. SkyDrive. So your 7GB you get, Office incorporates straight in there. Again, I've blurred it because it does display my name. You pick a theme, and like it says, we're getting things ready. You can take a look around, see what the new features are. For the purpose of this demo, I am going to bypass that bit. So now this is where it does start streaming it down from the internet. It does start installing it. Now you can start playing around in regard to Office. It will be extremely glitchy though. I mean, it is still streaming via the internet. So in regards to using it, it's going to be a bit temperamental. So I do recommend you wait until the end. Just for hassle-free reasons, really. It's not as straightforward as it used to be. Now, in regards to this package I've got, which is Office 365, I'll get the whole lot. So, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook Access Publisher, which I'll show you in a minute. Once it's finished downloading, we'll then proceed to see what programs you get. Now, the actual realistic download time took about 30 minutes. This is why the video has been cut down for the purpose of this video. It did take longer than I expected, but there you go. You're good to go. We're all done. You can now go offline, which is a nice way for Microsoft to put it. So, if we take a look now down on the Start menu, I'm using Windows 7, not Windows 8, because I love the Start menu. And we'll have a quick look what we get with Office. So as you can see, you get Office 2013 for all your databases. And then underneath, you've got your Microsoft Excel for keeping your finances in order with spreadsheets. OneNote, which is a cracking little bit of kit. And the most important one is Outlook, so using all your email clients into one inbox. PowerPoints, if you need to go to a meeting, you want to crack on with a nice presentation. Publisher for the creative folk who want to create newsletters and what have you. Send to OneNote is a printer function which sends it to OneNote instead. And everybody's favourite, Microsoft Word 2013, which looks great. For the purpose of this video, we will crack on with Office 2013 and we'll look at Word. Now, again, I have had to blur the top right out purely because that is where it shows your account. Now, I'm going to look at the template now, which downloads in seconds. And this is the new Word. Now, users of the 2010 edition will notice it doesn't look entirely that different, to be honest. I mean, the UI's changed very slightly in regards to fonts and icons, but apart from that, it looks exactly the same. This was a quick look at the installation. I probably will go in depth when it comes to programs itself. Going with the new features, but this has been a look at Office 2013.